alien spaceship! Does that mean aliens have come to Earth? Oh no, the spaceship crashed! Peter, run!
Peter, stop! Don't run! Give us the alien!
Mom, I'm all ready for the trip. Good job, Peter. Today's trip is going to be amazing.
Do you think we'll see any whales on our trip? I've always wanted to see one in real life.
Of course, Peter. We're going to Miami Beach, so who knows? Maybe we'll get lucky and see some whales out in the ocean. Hey, everyone! I'm ready to go. I've got my bag packed, and I can't wait to get to Miami Beach.
Lily, I've been ready for an hour already. You're the last one getting ready.
Dad, I thought I'd be the first one ready, but somehow I ended up being the last. Anyway, Dad, do I look ready?
Absolutely, Lily. You look great.
Wow, you two really had a lot to talk about. You could keep talking all day, couldn't you?
Looks like they could. Good thing we're finally ready to leave. Lily, I can't believe we're finally leaving. I've been looking forward to this trip all week.
I know, I'm so excited too. I just want to get there and start exploring.
All right, everyone. This is our car, and it's taking us on our trip. Let's get in. Dad, this already feels like the start of something really exciting. I have a feeling this is going to be an amazing trip. Absolutely, buddy. Let's do this.
Mom, how much longer do we have to drive before we get there? I'm really excited to see how far we've gone already. We still have about 5 hours to go.
5 hours is a long drive, but with my family along, I think it'll be a pretty fun ride.
Dad, do you think we packed enough snacks for the whole trip?
I'm already thinking about what I'll eat first. Don't worry, Peter. We've got plenty for everyone.
Wow, Mom, this place is so beautiful! I can't wait to see what's waiting for us ahead.
Hey, Peter, did you remember to bring your camera? You're gonna need it for all those pictures you wanted to take.
Yeah, Dad, I brought it. I even made sure the battery was fully charged this morning. I don't want to miss any good moments on this trip.
No pressure, Mr. Photographer.
Wait, what happened to the car? Why did it just stop?
You think something is wrong?
I'm not sure, Lily. I hope it's nothing serious.
Come on, car! Why won't you start? What's wrong with you? Come on, just work already! I've been trying to fix this thing, but it still won't start. What am I supposed to do now?
Mom, Dad has been trying to fix the car for a while. What are we gonna do if it still won't start? Let's stay calm, Peter. Your dad is still working on it.
Dad, is the car still not working? We were so excited about this trip. Is it really over?
I'm still trying, Peter, but the car won't cooperate. We may have a problem. The car won't start. We'll have to wait here, and there's no garage anywhere nearby.
Then what are we gonna do? We can't just stay here.
We might have to stay here for a while. We need to look around and see if there's a garage nearby.
Dad, what are we gonna do now? Are we really stuck out here?
I'm not sure yet, Peter. Let's look around and see if we can find someone nearby who can help us.
Mom, do you think we'll find someone who can help us?
I hope so, Lily. Let's keep looking.
Mom, what if there are tigers around here?
They could eat us. There won't be any tigers here, Peter. This is just a part of the desert.
If we can't find anyone to help us soon, we might have to spend the night here. I really hope we find someone before it gets dark.
Mom! Dad! Look over there! I can't believe it! There's a river! We finally found some water! This is amazing!
I can't believe we found a place like this in the middle of nowhere.
After everything that happened today, seeing this view feels like a little piece of luck.
I'm definitely taking a million pictures here.
But I don't see anyone around here. Looks like we'll have to spend the night here. I guess our unfinished trip will finally come to an end right here.
Dad, should we set up the tent here? It looks like a pretty good spot.
Yeah, let's get it ready before it gets dark. We'll make this place our campsite for tonight.
Lily, what are you looking at?
Mom, the river water is so fresh and clear, and I just saw a really big fish.
Lily, that fish was so huge. I think it was looking at us like we were the dinner.
Mom, then we better not go swimming.
It's getting dark. We should get inside the tent and settle down for the night.
Yeah, Dad. After everything today, I think we've had enough adventure for one day. Mom, Dad, the wind is getting really strong. What if something happens to our tent? I'm scared too. Let's get outside and see what's happening.
John! Peter! What is that strange light over there? I can't tell what it is, but something is definitely moving out there in the darkness. This doesn't look normal at all.
That's an alien spaceship. Does that mean aliens have come to Earth?
I don't know, Peter, but if that really is an alien spaceship, we need to stay together and be very careful.
Mom, why have the aliens come to Earth? Does that mean they're gonna take over our planet?
I don't know, Lily. We can't know what they want yet, so we need to stay calm and stay close together.
Oh my God, it just crashed.
Yes, we need to stay here and figure out what just happened.
No, Sophia. We can't just sit here and do nothing. We should go over there and see if we can help whoever was inside that spaceship.
Dad is absolutely right. We should go and see what happened. Yes, we should get closer and see if we can help them.
Come on, everyone! This is the spaceship we saw earlier. It's badly damaged, and it's still burning.
Dad, do you think someone is still inside? We should check if they need help.
I don't know, Peter. But we need to be careful. Let's see if we can find a safe way to help.
We should look around carefully. Stay close, Peter, and be careful.
Okay, Dad. Let's look around and see if we can find anything. Dad! Mom! Come here! I found an alien! It's lying on the ground! I think it's hurt! Please come quickly!
Oh my God. It's really an alien. Peter was right.
It looks hurt. We need to be very careful. We should help it before it gets worse.
Here, little guy, drink some water. You look really weak. Thank you. I'm hurt, and I need help.
Don't worry, you're safe with us now. Just tell us what happened.
I came to Earth from another planet in my spaceship. Suddenly, my spaceship lost control and I crashed into the ground. Why did you come to Earth?
Are you here to take over our planet?
I came to Earth because I wanted to see your planet for myself. I was curious about this beautiful world and wanted to learn more about it.
I want to return to my planet, but I need a computer to send a signal home. Can you help me?
Yes, we will help you. We'll do everything we can to help you return to your planet. Don't worry, we're here to help you, and we won't leave you alone.
Our car is broken. How are we going to get back home now?
Don't worry. I'll use my superpower to fix the car for you. The car is fixed now. It's ready to go.
Wow, it actually works. Your superpower really fixed our car.
That's incredible. Now we can finally get back home together.
Together, the family and the alien began their journey home. They still had many questions, but for now, they stayed together and moved forward through the quiet night.
What are you doing on the computer? Are you trying to contact your planet?
Yes. I'm sending a signal to my planet to let them know that I'm safe and that I'm here on Earth.
Mom, Dad, look at the TV. They found the strange spacecraft, and the research team is already there examining it. I wonder what they will discover.
I'm really worried that if the scientists find the alien, they might take him away for research and keep him locked up. We have to keep him safe.
We should stay calm and handle this carefully.
Yes, we should do what we can to help.
Then let's stay together and figure this out. Chiku already sent the signal. They're coming to take him back to his planet. Who is Chiku? That's the alien's name.
We have to help Chiku. He trusted us, so we must help him.
Who could that be at the door? Officers, why are you here? Is there a problem?
We heard that you and your family were at the spaceship crash site yesterday. We need to know what you saw there.
We also learned that an alien is staying with you. If he is here, please bring him to us.
No, officers. There's no alien here. You don't need to search our house.
Then please allow us to check the house.
If the police find Chiku, they'll take him away. We have to be careful.
Then we need to find a way to help him.
Peter, take Chiku through the back door. We'll handle things here.
Okay, Dad. I understand.
We didn't find anyone. Sorry for disturbing you. That's okay, officer. Thank you for checking.
Run, Chiku, run! Keep going! Ha! I can't run anymore. My leg is hurt.
Chiku, the police have spotted us!
Peter, run!
Peter, stop! Don't run! Give us the alien! Peter, get in the car!
Thank you, Dad. You saved us. Thank you, John. I'm really grateful you helped us.
Whatever happens, we have to get somewhere safe.
Chiku, don't worry. We'll do whatever it takes to help you get back to your planet.
I heard that humans on Earth were bad, but I was wrong. Not everyone is bad. You and your family have been very kind to me.
We have to be extremely careful now. We can't let anyone discover where Chiku is. Our first priority is getting everyone somewhere safe.
Lily, we need to stay calm and think carefully about what we should do next.
Chiku, did you send the signal? How long will it take for your spaceship to arrive?
Yes, I sent the signal. It should arrive soon, but I'm not sure exactly how long it will take.
After leaving the city, John and his family continued driving through the vast desert, searching for a safe place to stop.
Chiku, send another signal to your planet. Let them know where you are.
Chiku, don't worry. We're right here with you. I'll send the signal now. I hope they receive it.
The signal has been sent. They should arrive on Earth very soon.
If the police come looking for us, we'll have a big problem.
Then we should stay careful and make sure no one finds us before my people arrive.
Dad, the signal is already gone. Do you think Chiku's people can really find us out here?
If they received it, they'll find us. Until then, we should stay here and keep an eye on the sky.
Dad! Mom! Look up there! I think that's Chiku's spaceship. It's getting closer and closer. They actually came all the way to Earth to find him. They received my signal. They really came to take me home. I'm so happy for you, Chiku.
After everything we've been through, you finally have a chance to return home.
I can't believe it. After being so far from home, my people finally came for me. Thank you all for helping me and keeping me safe. I'll never forget what you did for me.
Chiku, I'm glad you're finally going home. I just hope everything goes well for you.
Thank you, Peter. I'll always remember you and your family.
We'll really miss you, Chiku. You became like family to us.
We'll miss you so much, Chiku. I hope you always remember us and the time we spent together.
Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for protecting me and helping me find my way home. I'll never forget you. I hope we meet again someday.
Goodbye, Chiku. Have a safe journey home.
Goodbye, Chiku. We'll always remember you.
Bye, Chiku. I hope we meet again someday.
Goodbye, Chiku. Take care.
I'm gonna miss Chiku, but I'm glad he finally found his way home.
Yeah. We helped him get home, and that's what matters.
Thanks for watching our adventure. We'll see you in the next story.